most welcome you. Global Spoken English.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my friend who give me a chance to speak in front of you all. So, as my friend Mahmood sir, whatever told about English, that how can I improve English? So that is absolutely right, because there is a lots of tips for English and how to learn English. So one thing I learn how to speak English, that is you open your Google Translate, and in Google Translate write in English about yourself, about your mother, and about your friend. Whatever you choose, you just write and look into translate in Hindi page layout, that whatever I wrote, that is true or not. If your Hindi is true, that means your English is also good. And in your if your Hindi is not good, so your English is not good. So you can check your English where you commit mistake. So today I am going to talk about motivational things, that this thing I actually wrote in Google Translate panel yesterday on laptop. So when you are child, you just think about your life. This is my life, and this life is end right now, because in future there is no life, because in future if I have no English experience and I don't know English, that's why doesn't matter, I will achieve anything in future. So this is your wrong thing. This was your wrong thing, because without English, I just learned yesterday my interview. The interview asked me to tell me about yourself. So I just explained me about me very well. But he just asked me that what is democracy. He just want to check my English, how my English is good or bad. So he just asked me what is democracy, explained for 2 minutes, or what is India, how India developed, and whatever this thing he asked me. But that time I just say that sorry sir, I am not interested in social studies. I am weak in social study. So that time he said that no problem, Altama Shabir. I want to ask other question. Okay, yes sir, sure. So then he asked me, your favorite game is cricket. So can you describe about Sachin Tendulkar? So I just say that I don't know about Sachin Tendulkar, but something I want to tell, that Sachin Tendulkar retired, and he was playing very good, and he's a good player. Lots of the people miss him and want to back Sachin Tendulkar in cricket team. So this is all I know about him. So there we were. So if you want to speak English, then you know stand front of mirror and talk to yourself, that you know just like that, and talk to like that, as sir, how to say?
Just try to talk with yourself.
Yeah, just introduce yourself, and just talk to him, just ask question, explain yourself, then answer yourself. Just my name is Altama Shabib and I am from Joshi district, Mahoo. Whatever just talk to me. So this is the tips. This is best tip for yesterday. I watched one video the YouTuber is girl, and then she tell me that you take two phone. I think this is funny, but yesterday she tell me you have two phone, and in one phone plug the earphone, and increase the volume of song, not any song, instrumental song. There is no lyrics, only instrumental, and plug in, and no outside disturb you, no outside voice disturb you. You can go in your other world, increase volume, and from other phone open the camera and record your video, but you know don't look in camera, just close your eyes and speak in English, and speaking English while you careful, your music is on and in full, then record your video by other phone and just speak in English. That's like I am Altamashami, whatever, in full volume. Then you have to check your English, how your English is good or bad, and how you means how that manner you speak English. So this is the very tips. This is the very logical tip. Most of the YouTuber give that, and so if you have no English experience and you don't, you cannot speak in English, you cannot, I think, achieve anything. If you are go in computer job and you get, some educational job. So I think that English is very important there, because you are higher educational, so you must know English very well, because if you complete your study in English medium school, so you should not learn from any institute, and from you should know English very well. The little boy right now, the little boy speak English very well, better than me, better than us. He speak very well. That he just use mobile phone without learning. So how is it possible? He never go, she never go to school, and he or she use mobile phone. And English very well, because your smartphone language is totally in English. So how do they understand in English? This is game app, this is a camera app. How they understand? So this is the starting, and that boy, achieve anything in his life, because he already know the English very well. This is the camera, this is the mobile, this is the so this is the very big thing. So if you are completed your study, so you have to learn. You already know the English very well. That so you can you should not learn from any institute. That because this is the very bad things. If you are complete your study in English medium school, and right now you learn English from any institute. So this is the very bad thing. I just also learn by ear, because in my school there is no English language they allow to speak. So that is why this is the commit mistake. So I just think that one thing, that if you are in coaching or outside, just one thing remember, that talk to in English totally. With your mom also, if you want to ask mom, give me a spoon. So your mom cannot understand, but your English will be improved. You understand that what is the spoon. what is, ma'am, mom, today I want to wash plate, to go and rest. So mom not understand, but your English will be improved. Okay, your English will be improved. And if mother asks me what you said, that you just say that, ma'am, mom, I just want to wash the plate. मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं plate धोना चाह रहा हूँ. So just explain her after, you know, when he asks and she asks. So I just want to finish my topic. Thank you for this.
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की, नए बैच के लिए एडमिशन ओपन हो चुका है।